Welcome everyone to our alphabet adventure. Today we're going to learn all the letters from A to Z. Are you ready to explore the wonderful world of letters? Let's start with the first letter of the alphabet. A is for apple. Can you all say A? Good job. B is for butterfly. Can you all say B? Good job. C is for cat. Can you all say C? Good job. D is for dog. Can you all say D? Good job. E is for elephant. Can you all say E? Good job. F is for fish. Can you all say F? Good job. G is for grapes. Can you all say G? Nice. H is for horse. Can you all say H? Nice. I is for ice cream. Can you all say I? Nice. J is for jump. Can you all say J? Nice. K is for kite. Can you all say K? Good job. L is for lion. Can you all say L? Good job. M is for monkey. Can you all say M? Good job. N is for nest. Can you all say N? Good job. O is for owl. Can you all say O? Good job. P is for penguins. Can you all say O? Good job. Q is for queen. Can you all say Q? Good job. R is for rabbit. Can you all say R? Good job. S is for snake. Can you all say S? Good job. T is for tiger. Can you all say T? Good job. U is for umbrella. Can you all say U? Good job. V is for violin. Can you all say V? Good job. U is for whale. Can you all say W? Good job. X is for xylophone. Can you all say X? Good job. Y is for yak. Can you all say Y? Good job. Z is for zebra. Can you all say Z? Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you next time.